Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. My channel is based on me building my Jtru design business. I make party decorations and gifts for people. I also make tutorial videos on how to make these things, so feel free to check some of my videos out. So today I wanted to show you guys how to create this cake topper using the offset feature on Cricut Design. It's really fun to make and I can't wait to show you guys. So without further ado, let's begin. So from the Cricut Design space, I click on text and type in class of 2022. And the font I will be using is called Shelter. And if you're interested in this font, then I will leave a link in the description box below. Okay, so now I will enlarge it and ungroup. And just basically move these numbers and letters around just so that they are a little bit closer to each other. Next, I wanted to add a graduation cap, so you can easily find a free one from Google Images, but I already have one saved under my images, so I'm going to use that and upload it. Okay, and then I'll resize it and pop it on top of the letter C because I think it looks quite cute. And I also wanted to add a star at the end, so I will go to shapes and select the star, and I'm just going to pop the star at the end of the letter S just like that. And what I do next is select class and weld it, and same for of, and then followed by 2022. Now here comes the fun part. So I click on offset and you can see at the top there's distance, and you can easily adjust it to your preference, but for this tutorial I'm using 0.25, and then I'll use the curved corner and then click apply, and repeat the step for the others as well. So I want to group the backs together, so what I do is just bring them all close together, and on the right hand side you'll see that there's a little eye icon, so I'll click on those to hide the actual letters, and then select all the black section and weld it, and then go back to the right hand side and enable all the letters and numbers so they are visible again. And just select the black layer and send it to the back. Now if you're unsure which colors to use, it's always great to go to the color chart and just play around with colors you want it to be at the front and at the back. So I was just messing around seeing which version I like the most, and in the end I chose the gold glitter at the front and black glitter at the back. I mean, I don't know what you guys think, but let me know in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this video so far or found it helpful, please do click the like button, as this will help my video reach out to more people and it will help my channel grow even bigger. So thank you all so much. And I will be making this cake topper 6 inches wide. So I'm just going to get it ready for it to be cut, and I'm just moving the class of 2022 around so that I can attach it all as one, so it's not going to be like everywhere on the paper. So here we go. I'm going to be using these 2 coloured cardstock, gold and black, and each of these glitter cardstock is about 280 GSM, and I get these from eBay, and you can also get from Amazon as well. If you're interested in getting some of these glitter cardstock, then I can add some links to the description box below, so go check that out. So I'm just going to prepare all this to get them cut, and also I will be using my light grip cutting mat, as this is better for cutting my cake toppers in my opinion, so it doesn't rip the back of the cardstock. Just going to prepare it now. So for this project I will be cutting with the one just above poster board, so my blade will cut the cardstock twice because of the thickness of it. So here we go. Okay, first one done. I'm just going to apply some glue behind these and place them on top, and then at the end I'll add a stick behind here in the middle. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is done. I'm going to place a book on top and make sure it's nice and stuck on properly. You could probably use a better glue than the one I've just used, to be honest, but yeah, I'm only using what I've got, so yeah. This is all done, and I wanted to point out to you guys that there's a little cut here which I'm not really sure why that happened. This can be easily fixed, so let me show you right now. So back to Cricut Design, I changed the background to pink so I can see what I'm doing, and then go to shapes and click circle, and then just hover over on top and make that pink as well, and select the circle and the background and weld it, and there you go, that's done. And just remember to save the project for next time. So guys, this is the end result. I hope you liked it. I liked the way it turned out. Hope you guys did too. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video and learned something from it. I would love to know what type of cake topper you're going to make with the offset feature. Do leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video and maybe consider subscribing if you want to see more of these type of videos in the future. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.